Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a host account, updated desktop client, and microphone access. Once logged into the Zoom web portal, go to Settings, Meeting, and under In Meeting, Advanced, Enable Live Transcription. Make sure the checkbox for Allow Live Transcription is on, and select whether to allow participants to save captions. Then open the Zoom desktop app, sign in as the host, and schedule or start your meeting so you can access the live transcript controls. Once your meeting is live, click the Live Transcript button in the meeting toolbar and choose Enable Auto Transcription. You'll see captions appear. Make sure participants can view captions or request the transcript file if needed. If you need to change language or accuracy options, open More Live Transcript Settings and select the correct spoken language. You can also assign another participant to manage captions. Keep the mic close and speak clearly for better accuracy. Use short sentences and avoid back. To finish, pause or stop live transcription in the same toolbar menu and then end the meeting when complete. If you enabled saving, the host or permitted participants can download the transcript from the meeting chat or cloud recording. If captions do not appear, first check host settings in the web portal, then confirm the desktop client is updated and that the host role is correct. Restarting the meeting often clears issues. As a fallback, enable cloud recording with audio transcript generation to capture captions after the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.